ESCO 498 jack stands, 3-ton capacity, silver. Let's open it up, check it out. I got these babies for my car. It was highly recommended in the BMW forums, especially for German cars. And also I read some reviews, people actually like these. They're a little bit more expensive than the other options, but just a bit more. I think I ordered 4 of them for about 230 to 50 with taxes, and so far only 3 came, so but that's okay. 1 more is on the way. But let's see, there's a big rubber padding, and it's like thick rubber, like super solid, but also it gives only a little bit. This is to protect your car or the ports. This is the column. Instruction manual. Huh, interesting. And oh man, these punctured the box. Let's set this one aside and this one. Let's try to get these off. You see how it punctured the box? Yeah, shipping. And some people would not be happy about this. I'll show you why. See, this one was inside, no damage. This one scratched, so you order it new and it's scratched. But you know, I don't care that much. It's supposed to, if it does the job, you know, it's not supposed to look pretty. Wow, 6,000 pounds capacity. Wow. So this is the safety pin that everybody recommends this product for, and the 3 legs, not like a triangle or like a small leg. This is a big, it's like as big as my palm almost, big leg, so lots of support. Yep. So I'm guessing you remove the safety pin. On this safety pin, the safety pin has a safety pin. Slide these, adjust the height just enough for this safety pin to go in. Just, oh, now this is a cool design, so you don't have to do much. It's like a spring loaded almost. It snaps. That's very cool. That's like one of the coolest safety pins I've seen. Very good design, easy to operate, one hand, on and off. It's perfect. So let's try the rubber padding now with no weight on it. Let's put my weight on it to see. Oh yeah, I think I got it in. Yeah, it has a little bit of a give. I mean the rubber. Also this is so tiny, but just enough to adjust this under your car. Wow, this works perfect. And also these grooves are nice for not damaging under your car. BMWs specifically have these pads because of their design. You know, this rectangular shape, this bit goes in, and this circular shape rests on these jack stands. And see how wide this is? You can definitely place it easy. It's hard to miss it. You don't have to have it dead center. You can have it a little bit offside. Yeah, haven't used them yet, but just by opening the box, I can tell this product is great. It's just solid construction with very durable materials, and it's heavy. It's pretty heavy, but you know, it's supposed to carry the weight of your car, and you want to be safe when you go under it. And yeah, I definitely recommend them. I'll use these babies soon. If you want to see them in action, go to my other YouTube channel where I talk about my car, I ride my car, I fix it up, I upgrade it, all kinds of videos of the fun I have. And I'll definitely be using these. Check it out, the link is down below. And have fun, guys, and stay positive.